Hi, we're getting the question all the time at the moment if you can use a buff or like tubular neckwear as a face mask to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Well, the short answer is yes. It ticks the boxes that the CDC defined for this kind of thing. So let me just run you through it, okay? Number one requirement, has to fit snug, has to cover everything. That's a given for this type of products. That's super easy. Second one, not so easy. It has to have a certain filtration. They say minimum 3 layers. Well, you can't easily make 3 layers by grabbing the buff somewhere down here and flipping it over like that. See how my voice is now muted? 3 layers, you can feel it, is definitely filtering. Now, another thing that I like to say is if you wear it like in 3 layers, you'll feel that it's a little bit tight. So see how you can adjust it also up here, so it doesn't blow up here. This is like the most critical one, that you close this thing up. But you see, I'm wearing glasses, so if I put them down, they close everything up. Another thing, as soon as the fabric becomes wet, it loses its sort of function in preventing the spread. So I would always stick to a fabric that disperses water very easily. So the original buff have moisture management, but I'd kind of go for the cool-net buff because it's really made to take moisture and evaporate it. It's also antibacterial and it's UPF 50 plus, so it kind of ticks the boxes a little bit better than the original buff. But in saying that, the most important part from what I've read is keep the hands out of your face. Okay, so wear it in a way that you don't have to touch your face when you're out. And if you touch your face, don't touch your face here. Touch it there. Okay, so taking the buff out, go from the sides. Put it on from the sides. So you don't really come in contact with this area because this is how you kind of spread it. I hope this helps. And yeah, any questions, just comment on it and I'll answer. I'll be monitoring it. Okay? Stay safe, stay healthy.